Hello, good afternoon guys. This afternoon, I just finished this repairing this Condora inverter AC, which the compressor before wasn't working. Now I'm going to test this one if it is working properly. Let's take a look at it. Now I attach this device to monitor the trace of the voltage of this IPM. This one. I'll switch on the breaker. Now this is the control display. Switch on the button. Now the fan motor is spinning. This is the compressor and this is the main board. We're gonna wait to wake the compressor. When the IPM starting to out this voltage, it will give here a light or number on this LCD. Then we will know how many volts is going to come in to the compressor. Now guys, the IPM is working. The monitor. The relay is clicking. Now 220 it's fluctuating the voltage of the UVW. And this the below is the ampere of the compressor. Now let's take a look at the compressor. So it's working guys. This is the fan motor. This is the control display. And this is the voltage of the IPM, the 3-phase voltage of IPM UBW. So it has only small ampere of this they use. That's why it is economical consuming the current of this. See? Okay guys, by the way guys, the problem of this, well, I replaced the power factor correction of this because that was defective. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching of this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are always being updated. And also, you may comment below, and don't forget also to like. Okay guys, thank you very much to all of you. See you again.